Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this classic beanie from Kith. Here we go. Got this from Kith in Beverly Hills. Here's the bag nice purple bag they give you. Here's the nice thank you with the receipt inside. So receipt's in there. And here's the product. So this is the Kith Classic Beanie, one size only. Nice green. Let's open it up. I had to go with green because this is purchased from the Beverly Hills location. Gotta go for green money, you know. Wow. It's really soft. It is genuinely really soft, and I like how the Kith logo is green as well. Green text. Show you the back. Stretchiness. Show you the stretchiness. Let's see. So here's the back. Fold it up again. Show you the tag. So this is the Kith one size classic beanie. Color is actually not green, it's called Chronicle. Show you all the tag. Kith and Kin. There we go. Focus in. Oh, sorry, hit the tripod. Here's the focus in on the tag. 80% acrylic, 15% nylon, 5% wool, made in Japan. One size fits most. Kith is built on the foundation of friends and family, Kith and Kin. By purchasing this item, you are part of our family, and our family is who we represent. Let's go. Cool. Let's check out the rest of the tag. Again, it's what the tag said earlier. Yeah. That's it. Let me know what you guys think of this beanie in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you for the next unboxing video. Take care, everyone. Later.